What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. And just like my previous video, right now I'm about to show you how to set up some really cool pranks and booby traps at home on friends and family. But before we get started with those, since we didn't reach a like goal in a previous video, right now let's set up another like goal. So if this video gets, and we'll keep it low, if this video gets 1,000 likes, yeah, 1,000, that's all it takes, guys. I will pick somebody from the comments and that person will get a box of snacks. Yep, because we get hungry during quarantine, right? So we want something to munch on. Now, if you're bored at home and you want something better, well, how about this? At 10,000 likes, I will be giving away a Nintendo Switch. And I know right now, they're hard to find. Wherever you look, you can't really find a Switch, but I might just have one available. So again, if this video gets 10,000 likes, the winner will get a Nintendo Switch. Well, with all that being said, guys, let's just get this video going. Check it out. All right, guys. So for this first prank, you're gonna need a small little cup. You can get these anywhere. It doesn't matter what kind of cup. Just make sure that it doesn't break if it falls on the floor. Well, not if it falls, it will fall. So make sure that it doesn't break. And again, I'm using confetti just like in my last video. So I'm gonna take all this confetti from this bag and pour it inside this cup. All right, so I emptied out the whole bag and there's some on the table. Now that all that confetti's in there, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take it to the closet, and this is a sliding door closet, and we're gonna choose the highest spot that we can, as we're gonna make sure that the cup stays on with pressure from the door. So just gently push it towards the cup and the cup will be on the wall, and that's it, guys. A little kid will never see that, and if the little kid is nosy and is always trying to go into your closet, you'll have that booby trapped. And here's how it's gonna go down, guys. Look at all that mess. Now imagine had I used rice or maybe smaller confetti, it would have gone all over the place. Luckily, it was this large confetti that we can easily pick up. Okay, so for our next prank, we're gonna set up right where we executed the last prank. So we're gonna clean all this up, get rid of that confetti so it doesn't draw any attention to the floor. We need this to be spotless. All right, now that it's clean, the reason why, guys, is because we're gonna take an air horn and tuck it on the corner like you see right here, guys. So we want the air horn to go off once the sliding door hits it. With the slightest of touches, guys, a little bit of pressure, and that happens. Yeah, it's really loud, so it's gonna get anybody. It's gonna startle just about anybody who closes or opens this closet door. So make sure it's not visible, guys, and it shouldn't, because it's right on the bottom, right in the corner. And again, once this door presses against the air horn, that happens. Oh, it's really loud. Definitely gonna get anybody who falls for this prank. Ow, my ears. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with the water bottle flip challenge. It goes a little something like this. Yep, the purpose, guys, is to actually flip the bottle and have it land standing up. So you can challenge your friends during quarantine because you got nothing to do, right? So get yourself another water bottle. But when they're not looking, you're gonna tamper with this water bottle. So here's how. First, we're gonna remove the label. So make sure it's got a thicker, wider label. So this one will work just fine. All right, now that the label's off, we're gonna take a blade, and right above where the water is at, we're gonna cut. And we're gonna cut the whole thing, but make sure that the cut is very, very straight. So once you go fully around, you have detached the top. Well, you're gonna leave the top half as is, and with the help of the label, we're gonna keep it in place like you see right here, guys. Okay, that was the perfect cut. And now that the label is on there, guys, you can give this water bottle to somebody and have them flip this bottle while you flip this other bottle. This one hasn't been tampered with, but this one has. So you'll attempt round one. Oh, close. So, okay, so they'll be like, oh, that was pretty easy. Maybe I can do it. And when they try with their water bottle, this is what's gonna happen. Oh, it won't be a pretty mess as you guys just witnessed. That's what happens. Once they make the spill, you run away and have them stay behind and clean it all up. I'm sure that a lot of you guys, just like me, get a lot of Amazon packages. Like this one right here, guys. I got this box, and this is where my Xbox One X came in. Nah, guys, this is too big for it. I just wanted to show you guys that in my previous video, I'm giving away an Xbox One X and an Xbox One S. So if you haven't, guys, check it out. You might want to enter that giveaway because hopefully we get to that like goal where I can give away one of these. Anyway, let's get rid of this because all we need for this prank is the Amazon box. Now, to booby trap this box, it's going to remain empty. All we need is a cup. Make sure it's not glass, so plastic or styrofoam works well for this. What we're going to do, guys, is we're going to fill this up with water. And I got my water right there. We're going to take the box and stand it up, just like you see right here. So we're going to place the cup standing up, just like the box is. And all we do now, guys, is we close it up. So close up the flaps. Be gentle about it, though, because you don't want to make a spill just yet. We're going to save that for our victim. We'll be using tape to hold this shut. Alright, guys, leave it as you see right here. And now that it's standing up, when your victim sees this box, they'll want to open it, especially if it has a label with their name on it. And when they do so, they're not going to open it as it is. They're actually going to flip it flat on its side. And then this will happen. Look at that. A mess instantly occurs. So this spill, guys, is something that they'll have to clean up. Luckily, there's nothing of value in there, unless you consider that cup valuable. But look at the mess that now they're stuck having to clean up. Yeah, I'm not gonna let this cup go to waste. A lot of you guys like to drink these. This is a Kool-Aid Jammers pouch, but you might have a different brand in your house. You could have a Capri Sun. No matter what, guys, you can still pull off this prank. So you're gonna need a pouch like this one. Make sure that the straw is still stuck on there because the straw will help at least to hide our booby trap. So right along where the straw is, we're gonna take a blade and we're gonna cut the pouch's belly. Yeah, just make a slit. When you do this though, guys, make sure not to apply a lot of pressure on this. You want this to be a simple cut without any spills. At least not yet. And you gotta level it. Make sure that it's well balanced so there's no spills once you let go of it. So I'm gonna leave my blade underneath it. And that is it, guys. The prank is set. When somebody comes over and grabs this juice, this will happen, guys. They'll just grab it. And look at that. Instant spill. And it gets all over the place. I definitely wouldn't like to fall for this, but luckily there's still plenty of juice in there that I can enjoy. See? See, guys, those pranks are not hard to pull off. They were very easy to set up. And as you just saw, not a lot of work goes into them. Before I wrap up this video, I want to remind you guys that I am giving away a box of snacks once this video gets 1,000 likes. And if we do get 10,000 likes, I will be giving away a Nintendo Switch to somebody from the comments. All you gotta do to participate, guys, is just like this video and leave a cool comment below. That is it. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video.